So, number 10 in the 15-minute journal challenge is using sticky notes. And I've done mine like this and like that. So, if you want to check it out, stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here with number 10, the final in the 15-minute journal challenge from JoHanna Clough using sticky notes. So first I wanted to show you, I'm going to be using these sticky notes. They're just regular sticky notes, but when I was looking for sticky notes, I also had these. Of course, variety of colors, but I also had these sticky notes that I had gotten at, I think, Dollar Tree. And I had these that are thought clouds. We might, if we have time, might get to use a couple of those. And I also had this set of sticky notes. So a variety of ideas of things that you could possibly use for this. And so anyway, so we're going to be using the summer vacation. Let's go ahead and get started, and we are going to come here to this page, and I'm going to be doing something just a little bit different. I am going to do a waterfall. Sticky notes just really lend themselves to easily putting together a waterfall of notes. So the idea behind the 15-minute challenge is to get you to just not have to think about something a whole lot and get some pages made. So we have followed along, and we've done photographs, an envelope, quote, and there. So I think I may end up making a title out of one, but for right now this is going to be just fine. I will probably come back and glue these in as well. And so this is a creek day. So we went to the creek on this day. So let's see, what did we have? We had a great day at Big Rock Creek. Okay. 3 kids, 1 Nanya, what did we end up with? We got 5 shoes with question mark, because you know something happened to a shoe. 1 log, 1 blue donut float. Okay. 1 dead rattlesnake. So things to do. Tube down the rapid. Build a raft. Look for fishies. Explore explore the creek, find little rocks. Who? Anya, Shelley, Johnny, Will. So we are who? When? This was Wednesday, July 10th. 1:00 p.m. What? Play at the creek. Explore. Snack. Pack. Snack. Make memories. Okay, so I just did listing. I have some time left, so I'm going to go ahead and redo this one. And okay, so we'll go with okay. I'll rewrite this. 3 kids, 1 Nanya. That's me. 5 shoes. Question mark. 1 log. 1 blue donut. Float. 1 rattle snake. And things to do. We'll put a circle here. Tube, down, rapids. Build a raft. Look for fishies. Explore the creek. Find little rocks. Have fun. Okay. So there's that. So that's one way. Now have this. One of the things that we did on this trip was when we were in the car, we had that Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader book. And it has all kinds of questions. And Shelley did the question, and the answer would have been a sentence, okay? But Johnny wasn't paying attention. So when Shelley said, "Johnny, what's your answer?" he said, "True." Because we'd had a couple of true false questions in a row. And then for the rest of the vacation, we'd be randomly going along doing something and somebody would go, "True." Just want to go ahead and this one kind of matches this better. We played Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader when we were in the car? We all decided we were not smarter than a fifth grader. But we sure had fun. It was kind of cool because, you know, you get in the car and it's usually you get in the car and turn on the radio. Well, I don't play the radio very much in the car. I listen to tapes or I think and talk out loud, plan things and stuff. So when I'm by myself. And so having the kids, and we got in the car and we went ahead and we played this game and had a really great time. And a lot of the times we'd answer the questions and talk about how we knew the answer or we didn't, and how we could remember the answer in case it ever came up in life again. And of course we were playing with Will is just now going into 4th grade. And so, and he did pretty good. But it was a lot of fun, and it's something that I think we want to remember. So I've cut these pages out from the book and added them in like a flip-flop. Here I've been able to talk about Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? And then, but we still have pages that we can add for the creek. So we did this little waterfall here using these, and of course you could come back in and go ahead and glue them down. I'm just going to glue them at the edge because it's not like I'm going to be writing anymore. I just don't want them to come out. I'm going to add something else to that one because it was Wednesday, July 10th at 1 o'clock p.m. after the chores were done. Okay, so there's a page, and we did that one using Post-it notes. And look, we still have time left. So of course you could also have your thought cloud. Might be kind of fun to use in here somewhere. So there you go. So that was day 10. I have enjoyed this challenge so much, and I was able to get 9 pages plus done in this journal, as well as the one that I did in my Memories of My Mom journal. And I think it was a great way to show everyone out there that you can get something done, and one of the ways to do it is set the timer and just go for it. And you know, you don't have to wait. Everything doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to all be green lights. Just get it down on paper so that you can remember it. I'm just adding some hearts here because the page looks so like it needed something. So find something to celebrate every day. Thank you again, JoHanna. Everybody have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye.